This video will explain how to set up the TAITO Frontline game in the Batocera system to use the GRS Super Joystick. First, hold down the A key to enter the game option, then enter the advanced game option. Make sure the emulator is MAME 0139, then press the B key to exit and A to enter the game. Ensure the mode is Joystick POV Hat mode, with the button light in blue. Press hotkey plus A to enter the RetroArch menu. Press B to go back to the previous menu. Go into Settings, then into Input. Find Port 1 controls and enter. Check if device index and mouse index are TSRTJK. Now start mapping the joystick. Here we need to ensure that the joystick output is in D-pad mode. Press A to start mapping joystick up, then move the joystick up to complete the mapping. Because the up, down, left, and right movements in Batocera are mapped to the A-pad, the menu cannot be moved in D-pad mode. Therefore, we will use the keyboard to continue the menu movement operation. Next, complete the mapping for the joysticks down, left, and right. Button 1, 2, 3, 4 are already automatically mapped together in the Batocera system, so no settings are made. We directly find analog RY. Here we need to use the Calibration PCB for mapping, where U, D, L are on the PCB correspond to up, down, left, and right of the A-pad. Click to map RY up first, press the U key on the PCB to complete the mapping. Then complete the mapping for down, left, and right in the same way. At this point, the input mapping is completed. Press B to exit to the previous menu. Then press B again to exit to the previous menu. Now enter configuration. Make sure Save Configuration on Quit is set to On, then press B to exit to the previous page. Then press B to go up to the previous menu, return to the main menu. Go into Configuration File, press Save Current Configuration, then press B to exit. Go into the Quick menu, press Resume to return to the game. Then press Tab to enter the main menu. Click to enter input, this game. First, map start and coin. Then map the joysticks up, down, left, and right to the right joystick. Mapping the right joystick requires the Calibration PCB. Use the same method as before to map the corresponding up, down, left, and right. Finally, map buttons 1 and 2. Press Tab to exit the main menu at this point. All mapping is now complete. In the game, Use the D-pad to move the character and the A-pad to control the direction of the character's aim. Now we exit the game. Here's a note, now the menu can't be controlled because we've mapped the A-pad to control the menu before, so we just need to press the mode key to switch the joystick output from A-pad to D-pad. This will restore normal menu control. Remember to press mode to switch to D-pad mode after entering the game. Thanks for watching.